Morning, everybody. Meteorologist Rebecca Sweet here. The time is around 10:12. I'm going to keep this brief as we just did a full stream update about an hour ago. And remember, I was talking about these showers and thunderstorms pushing up the Central Valley. I had mentioned that this would likely be the area that we did see some flooding concerns, and here we go. We have a flash flood warning. I will say that the National Weather Service indicated this, or should say put this out there because of the amount of rain that happened so quickly out of McGee-Tyson Airport. They were saying they had reports of 0.3 of an inch of rain, and that happened in a matter of 7 minutes. And so there is the possibility of for torrential rainfall moving into this area. So this flash flood warning is in effect for Blount, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, and Sevier counties, and this will be in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. We are seeing some of this heavy rain continuing to slide into parts of South Knox County. So let me kind of take this away and let's focus specifically on some of this rain that is moving through the area. So I'm going to take away the warning, so you'll see it pop away when it comes to the banner. And let's kind of get a little bit of a closer dive in as to what we're seeing with some of this heavy rain. So right now, if you live in Knox County, we're seeing some of the heaviest rain pushing through areas south of I-40. That includes Farragut, Louisville, moves into the Wildwood area, kind of right along Alcoa Highway, traveling off into parts of Sevier County as well. I thought that watch went away, but I think the watch is still there. There we go. Now we're taking that watch away. So you see these bands of heavy rain. We have a few rumbles of thunder that'll be possible and some brief gusty winds. Kodak, we're also seeing some very heavy rain that's moving through your region. Carnes, moving into the downtown Knoxville here in just a little bit. This may cause some slowdowns on the road as well, where we are seeing some of these heavier downpours. We do not have any physical videos or pictures of flooding in this area at this moment. But again, we are watching what is now a flash flood warning that is going to be in place until 2 o'clock this afternoon. And it also looks like the National Weather Service did issue one for parts of northeast Tennessee as well. I said this before when I was doing a stream about an hour ago, that this was going to be that steady stream of moisture moving into parts of the Central Valley, and yeah, it seems to be standing true. So let's kind of put this into motion really quick, having a viewpoint over the last hour. Another batch of some very heavy rain going to be pushing into the downtown Knoxville area. Parts of West Knox County seeing some of this heavy rain. South Knox County is where we could potentially see some flooding as well. So again, we do have this flash flood warning that will be in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. I'm going to quickly show you our Futurecast model, and then we're going to jump off this stream because we're going to do a little bit more of a detailed forecast, likely before our noon show. But you can see that these showers and thunderstorms, unfortunately, folks, look like they're going to be staying with us all the way through the early part of the afternoon. By the time we get to around lunchtime into the early part of the afternoon, we're going to start to see this batch of rain taper off, and then we may have a few more isolated strong thunderstorms moving through the area as we go into the evening hours tonight. That could also bring in some heavy showers going into the early hours of your Thursday. Today, as of this moment, is the only day that we have a weather impact alert day on your 7-day forecast. Looking forward to the weekend. We warm up, we get back into the 90s, and we continue to see more sunshine. So once again, just to reiterate, we are watching a flash flood warning that is going to be in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Our full weather team is going to be watching this online and on streaming. If you are seeing any flooding concerns in your area on the roadways or moving into your region, again, please join in on the conversation on social media. Let us know what this looks like in your area, what roads you're seeing flooding concerns on, maybe streams, creeks, back roads where you might be seeing some of those issues. I can hear some of those rumbles of thunder outside of our studio, but here is this flash flood warning. Blount, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, and Sevier counties. Let's check really quickly if the National Weather Service has any new information. But yes, the last thing that they put out there is that they said they proactively issued the flash flood warning for the Knoxville area. They had 0.3 of an inch of rain in 7 minutes with one of the showers over the airport, and they're expecting to get 2 to 3 inches per hour with some of these storms moving into the region. So this is going to be an ongoing event basically between now and into the early part of the afternoon. You can follow us along as we go throughout the rest of the day. Again, don't forget to safely share your photos, folks. Drive with caution as it is a weather impact alert day, and we're going to have much more as we go throughout the rest of the morning. Thanks for joining us.